Hi guys, today I'll give you a quick start into creating a virtual machine using VirtualBox. So I'll be giving you a quick introduction into what a virtual machine is. We'll install VirtualBox and then create a virtual machine, in this case Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So basically, virtual machine is an emulation of a physical computer, and this means that virtual machine has its own hardware, but which is also virtualized, and it has a guest operating system and so on. For more details regarding this virtual machine, check out my other video, VM Explained. You can find this link in the resources below. Okay, now let's install the VirtualBox in our system. For this, I'll be installing VirtualBox in my host OS. My host OS is going to be Windows 10. Now you can download the VirtualBox from this link, which is also below in the resources section in the description. Okay, let's get started. So I've already downloaded this VirtualBox install file, and I just need to double click it. Just press next. You can save it at a desired location. I'll just leave it at default here and press next. And I've selected all this menu here. Yeah, just for me, it's easy for me to find it out. Not interfaces. I'd say yes. Okay, let's start the installation. If it asks for admin rights, and when you have the admin rights of the OS where you're installing, you can click yes, and then it tries to install. Okay, the installation is completed. Now let me start the VirtualBox to see how it looks like. Good. Now this is the VirtualBox manager which is opened here. It is similar to the VMware player which we saw in other video, and we can also create a virtual machine here. So in order to do this, you just need to press the new button here, and define a name here. Let's just say test Ubuntu, and we can define the memory size here in this section. I'll just leave all the others to default location, but if you have a specific location where you would like to save, please do so, and under this folder here, or by selecting the drop down menu, just say create. I'll set everything to default here. Okay, here the file size should be, the recommended file size for Ubuntu OS is 25 GB. I usually prefer it at 50 GB for installing other softwares. And I just say create. That's it. The virtual machine is created. Oh, stop. We have just created an entry in the VirtualBox manager, but we have to create a virtual machine. In order to do that, we go to start. We go to this test Ubuntu, which is created, right click, start, and normal start. And now a pop-up comes. Here we can select the ISO file which I previously downloaded from here. Just need to add a new medium, and I've already downloaded the 20.04 ISO file. Just append it to it and choose the Ubuntu ISO. Okay, and then click Start. Now the virtual machine is installed. So it's I had activated auto login, so it's already logged in for me, and I just need to bypass this information and then finish it off. Yeah, voila. Now the virtual machine is completely installed. I can access my Internet Explorer, or in this case, the Firefox web browser. It's just taking a bit time. Again, yeah, I'm able to access it. So let's head to the next section. In this video, we saw what a virtual machine is. We created a virtual machine in a VirtualBox environment. So if you would like to create a virtual machine using VMware Player, please check out my other video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. And